Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, are you ready to transform your space? Let's explore the world of room partition design. Room partitions can redefine how you experience your home or office. They offer privacy, style, and functionality in all one. From sleek glass panels to cozy fabric dividers, the options are endless. Imagine creating a serene reading nook in your living room or a stylish workspace in your bedroom. Room partitions allow you to separate areas without the need for permanent walls. Consider your personal style. Do you prefer minimalist designs or bold statement pieces? Whatever your taste, there's a partition that can enhance your decor and elevate your space. And let's not forget about the benefits. Room partitions can help reduce noise, create designated areas, and even add a touch of elegance. Plus, they are often easy to install and can be moved as your needs change. So, what are you waiting for? Start designing your dream room partition today and unlock the full potential of your space. Dear viewers, when it comes to open space designs for homes, living room partition ideas can create privacy without disturbing the expensive ambience of the setup. Homeowners often look for incorporating unique corners or private spaces without compromising on the overall spacious look of the area. By constructing concept walls for the enclosure, room partition designs are perfect for segregating huge rooms, to demarcate the space or displace messy areas from open view. These partitions could be used to create a small prayer area, separate dining space, kitchen, or even a changing area in the bedroom. Room partition design takes inspiration from nature. It has space for keeping artifacts, while the background setting is an intricate 3D design carved out of wood. Nature lovers could replace the artifacts with the planters to create same balance of pristine greenness. These simple designs yet elegant modern living room partition idea sets an artistic tune for your apartment. The LED lighting encompassing the entire frame lends a soft and delicate touch of to the decor. This simple living room partition technique reflects style and utility. The lower part of this design provides storage space, place, and step style. This arrangement gives small platforms for placing decorative handcrafts, or anything you deem fit in the particular room. It is an excellent separator for the bedroom and living room alike. Transform your space with our chic room divider, seamlessly blending functionality with artistic elegance. Our curated collection features captivating designs, mesmerizing patterns, and premium materials, elevating these furnishing to breathtaking works of art. Immerse yourself in a world of beauty and versatility as our room partition effortlessly become focal points, leaving a lasting impression on every visitors. Choose from a diverse range of styles to personalize your surrounding with ease, catering to every taste and preferences. Welcome to a world where beauty meets versatility, where every room divider is a masterpiece waiting to adorn your space. If you are ever wanted to split your living room into small pockets where you had different experiences, a divider can make that happen for you. Dividers are screens, panels, and fittings that divide one space into two or more temporarily or permanently. They are mostly movable and can be folded if they are not needed. There are various options for you to choose from depending on your budget and preferences. Walk with us and we will take you through all wall dividers in detail. These contemporary partition styles works great for separating living and dining rooms and to differentiate bedrooms, home offices, and living areas and studio apartments. To make sure the glass does not break when exposed to vigorous moments, you can consider getting a metal framing to add strength. A freestanding clothing rack, coat rack, and the living room comes in handy to separate spaces elegantly. In larger homes, the coat rack is a great place for guests to enter, hang up their coats comfortably, and then proceed to the living or dining room. Alternatively, is a DIY room divider idea. You can hang a horizontal clothing rod from the ceiling and hang your clothes with hangers. The length of these dresses divides the spaces into two,